Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the calendar on your ONYX Boox Go 6. So you have a calendar on the ONYX Boox devices, and if you want to access it, what you're going to do is go to the Apps tab. So it should be on the bottom of your screen, and it should be somewhere in here, so look for it, and here you'll have it, calendar memo, that's what it's called. And the way the calendar works is you can obviously check the dates, but what you can also do is leave notes on each day. So for example, you can select what book you've read today, so you can select like I've read, it's going to show you what books you read. So today you've read, for example, these books. So on the 14th, I read these 4 books, and you can also leave memos. So for example, you can draw something. Like I've just drawn a test or something like that, and you can do that for each day. And for example, if you go back and check, you can see what you've read on that day. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.